Hey friends, welcome back. I'm in Brasov in Romania, and the plan is, well, we really don't have any plans. We're gonna just like explore this town and the surrounding. We're not planning to take any public transport, maybe. At least we're not thinking it, but we'll see what happens. It's in the morning now. We're gonna explore the town, show you around. Well, you need to explore it too and see what Brasov is all about. I'm actually in a park, and it's very nice here, right? So like, what's the options in it?
If you like mushroom,
Cheese.
cheese?
Yeah. Only cheese in it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll have one.
One?
Yeah.
It's so good.
Let's try it. I'll take your word for it.
It's fresh.
You just made it now?
Yeah.
Is it just baked now?
Yeah.
Oh,
All the
perfect.
time, every day in the morning.
Perfect.
Every day, all is too fresh.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. How much is it?
4.
4.
It's not expensive. No. No, it's for everybody. For the moment, because we don't know after. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Oh my God, you made my day. You're so beautiful.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
This is a typical Romanian pastry. They do it with different ingredients inside, cheese, mushrooms, as she just mentioned earlier. So this is like a first bite. I've never tried this before, and it's fresh. I couldn't ask for more. It's perfect breakfast, and this costs like less than $1, like 90 cents. So cheers. This is how it looks from inside. It's like salty with cheese inside. Not so much, but it's tasty. It's a good breakfast. I like it. Now it's time to get a coffee from Lidl. Look at this for a view. We decided to go up to the mountain where the sign is Brasov, and we're gonna take the cable cart here. So this is a cable cart experience here in Brasov in Romania. Should be good experience or good fun. No, we have to go in. So crowded. Can I get 2 tickets? Yes, please. Card. Thank you. We're waiting now for the carts. You can actually see them coming down. I don't think it's going to give any justice on the camera to see them down, but I'll give it a try. There's one there. Here we go. And we're arriving now. Whoa, look at this for a view. Oh my God, gorgeous. So ticket price was 25 li, which is about $5. And the journey, I think it was like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, maybe less. And we're on the top here. Yeah, there's some restaurants, bars up in the hill mountain. Well, it's not really a mountain, it's up a hill. And yeah, it's good to be in the nature, away from the town now. There are some wildlife here, fox. The picture is not clear. I think that's a snake. It must be today's school trip day. very busy with kids. Oh yeah, we're coming on now to Brasov sign, the one that we can see from the town. There it is. It's like the Hollywood sign in Hollywood, I guess. Never been there, but this is it. And look at that for a view. Here's another view. Wow. We're coming up the hill. I'm out of breath. But we're gonna see another viewpoint of Brasov. Oh my god. That is gorgeous. Wow. So beautiful. There's over there the main square. Right, we're heading back now, and we're gonna use the cable cart as well to head down, and we'll see the view hopefully on the way down as well. That should be more fun and better view than going up. Here we go. We're going down now.
En el armario, abajo del todo, está el otro monedero, el viejo.
Obviously it's crowded, I cannot squeeze myself in. And we are down. It was fun. Recommended. I thought it was crowded when we arrived. Oh my god. This is a long line. We are arriving to a very narrow alley. Very famous here in Brasov. It's called Strada Sforii. This is so cool, man. It's narrow. I wasn't expecting as I was expecting a bit more narrow. And there is beautiful houses designed here. We just arrived to a university garden, and there are a lot of sculptures, handmade wooden sculptures made by students. And there's this one here. Floria, Adrian, Florin. And the sculpture is, what is it, a goat? Or a black goat. Or a dog with horns. Oh, there's one here. This one is, it's one student sculpturing them all. Fair play, girl. Floria. Fair play to Floria. This is look at this beautiful, I don't know what it is, but it's a gorgeous gate. We're gonna go, we'll go this side in a minute. But just one more last sculpture, which is the big bear that I can see. And I wanna see it up close. Oh, there's another one as well. There's a boar there too. There's this bear here. It's a huge one, man. Floria is on fire. Look at those eyes though. Look at that head. That is some head. And we have here the boar, I think. The eyes are amazing. Very cool park here, to be fair. This is a nice park with chill, it's a center, more or less. There's another park in the center as well, but this one just a little outside the center. It's nice weather, it's sunny, and we're gonna go now through the gate. Look at this gate. Wow. Wow. That is gorgeous. By the way, the gate I was talking about, just to clarify it. Very beautiful here. Like parks, nature, I love it. Alright, it's time for food now. We're gonna have lunch at an Italian restaurant. I'm craving a pizza. It's been like a while I have not had a pizza, so let's have a pizza for lunch here in Brasov, in Romania.
Pizza Napoli?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Ooh, it's here. That looks good. Let's try and review this. It's going to be amazing. Let's try and eat this. Look at it. That's it.
Is it good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Bravo.
Delicious. Wow. Italian pizza. Well, Napoli pizza. Here in Brasov, in Romania. Cheers. Yeah. Alright, just had the lunch. The pizza was amazing. But for now, we're gonna end the vlog here because I'm really tired. I just want to go for a nap. Thank you all for watching, and as always, see you on the next one.